Inhenergy is a wholly subsidiary of the INHE Group, focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of string photovoltaic, the core equipment in the field of distributed photovoltaic power generation. The company adheres to the core competitiveness of product stability, reliability, and high performance. Inhenergy has always insisted on R&D investment and technological innovation. It has a variety of products with independent intellectual property rights and has obtained several domestic and foreign authoritative certifications and multiple patents through the mastery of the core technology of solar inverters and strict control of the quality management system. It has accumulated a wealth of industry application experience and established a good market reputation. Products of Inhenergy are stable, safe, reliable with simple design. Inhenergy always strives to create a warm and comfortable working environment, mobilize employees' potential for innovation and development, provide customers with better service and more stable and reliable products. For Inhenergy, a solid foundation is laid on continuous development of international market. Efficient market development and good product adaptation both reflect the vision and persistence of Inhenergy. Adhering to the product upgrade concept of manufacturing generation, R&D generation, conceiving generation, Inhenergy provides customer with more matching services by offering new technology and new products. Inhenergy takes power the world with sunlight as its vision, seeking common development and share future achievement.